अस्सलामुअलैकुम, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। आज के वीडियो में एक ट्रिक को स्टडी करते हैं टू सॉल्व द प्रॉब्लम्स रिलेटिंग कॉलिगेटिव प्रॉपर्टीज। कॉलिगेटिव प्रॉपर्टीज डिपेंड ऑन नंबर ऑफ सॉल्यूट पार्टिकल्स। इट डजंट डिपेंड ऑन नेचर ऑफ सॉल्यूट and solvent. There are four types of colligative properties. First, relative lowering of vapor pressure. Delta P divided by P naught is equal to I multiplied by mole fraction of solute. Second, elevation in boiling point is equal to I multiplied by Kb and molality. Third, depression in freezing point is equal to I multiplied by Kf and molality. Fourth, osmotic pressure is equal to I multiplied by nRT divided by V. Now here are trick on increasing number of solute particles. Lowering in vapor pressure increases. Relative lowering of vapor pressure increases. Vapor pressure decreases because on addition of non-volatile solute. Boiling point increases. Elevation in boiling point increases. Freezing point decreases. Depression in freezing point increases. Osmotic pressure increases. As you can see, on increasing number of solute particles, all the properties increases except vapor pressure and freezing point. प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व करने से पहले वेंट हुक फैक्टर को समझते हैं। वेंट हुक फैक्टर स्ट्रॉन्ग इलेक्ट्रोलाइट के लिए नंबर ऑफ आयन के इक्वल होता है। क्योंकि स्ट्रॉन्ग इलेक्ट्रोलाइट 100% आयोनाइज होते हैं इनसाइड द सॉल्यूशन। So for strong electrolyte, I is equal to N. N is equal to number of ion. For H2SO4, I is equal to 3 because H2SO4 dissociate into 3 ion, 2 hydrogen and 1 sulfate. For HCl, I is equal to 2 because HCl dissociate into 2 ion, 1 hydrogen and 1 chloride. For sodium hydroxide, I is equal to 2 because sodium hydroxide dissociate into 2 ion, 1 sodium and 1 hydroxide. For magnesium hydroxide, I is equal to 3 because magnesium dissociate into 3 ion, 1 magnesium and 2 hydroxide. For aluminium trichloride, I is equal to 4 because aluminium trichloride dissociate into 4 ion, 1 aluminium and 3 chloride. For NaCl, I is equal to 2 because sodium chloride dissociate into 2 ion, 1 sodium and 1 chloride. For potassium sulfate, I is equal to 3 because potassium sulfate dissociate into 3 ion, 2 potassium and 1 sulfate. For non-electrolyte, I is equal to 1 because non-electrolyte doesn't dissociate into ion inside the solution like glucose and sucrose. Next, here are question. Solution A contain 1 m glucose and solution B contain 2 m glucose. Find the relation of all the below properties. Glucose is non-electrolyte, so for glucose I is equal to 1. Solution A contain 1 m glucose mean 1 mole of glucose in 1 liter. Solution B contain 2 m glucose mean 2 mole of glucose in 1 liter. So solution B has more number of solute particles. According to trick, B की तमाम properties increase करेंगी except vapor pressure and freezing point. Look at point number 1. Vapor pressure of A is greater than B. Look at point number 7. Freezing point of A is greater than B. बाकी तमाम प्रॉपर्टीज इंक्रीज करेंगी। लुक एट पॉइंट नंबर 2, लोअरिंग इन वेपर प्रेशर ऑफ बी इज ग्रेटर देन ए, रिलेटिव लोअरिंग ऑफ वेपर प्रेशर ऑफ बी इज ग्रेटर देन ए, बॉइलिंग पॉइंट ऑफ बी इज ग्रेटर देन ए, elevation in boiling point of B is greater than A, depression in freezing point of B is greater than A, osmotic pressure of B is greater than A. Next question, solution A contain 1 m aluminium trichloride, solution B contain 1 m sodium chloride. Find the relation of all the below properties. For aluminium trichloride, I is equal to 4 because aluminium trichloride dissociate into 4 ion, 1 aluminium and 3 chloride. For sodium chloride, I is equal to 2 because sodium chloride dissociate into 2 ion, 1 sodium and other chloride. So A has more number of solute particle. According to trick, A की तमाम properties increase करेंगी except vapor pressure and freezing point. Look at point number 1, vapor pressure of B is greater than A. Look at point number 7, freezing point of B is greater than A. बाकी तमाम प्रॉपर्टीज इंक्रीज करेंगी। लुक एट पॉइंट नंबर 2, लोअरिंग इन वेपर प्रेशर ऑफ ए इज ग्रेटर देन बी, relative lowering of vapor pressure of A is greater than B, boiling point of A is greater than B, elevation in boiling point of A is greater than B, depression in freezing point of A is greater than B, and osmotic pressure of A is greater than B. Next question, try to solve this question by yourself. If you like this video, hit the like and subscribe bell icon and write your questions in the comment section.